surprisingly, it's not always up and to the right. There are obstacles that come along, whether they're life obstacles, business obstacles. And so how would you say you've overcome those obstacles? I want to start with Tracy on the end here. And what obstacles have you faced and how did you overcome them?
I only have a few minutes, I can't list them all, but obstacles, I just want any of you that know that you have obstacles, that someone in this room has those same obstacles, and the more that you talk about them and don't let them keep happening to you over and over again, sometimes you just have to let go and let God, or whatever you believe in, and not let them hold you back. But I was preemie when I was born, and they said I was dead, so if you feel like you lost even when you first started, you don't keep going. I moved out at 14. My mom passed away when I was in high school. I was raped. I've been in 2 major car accidents that they said I'd never walk again. I watched my son pass away, and I've been sick. I've been on pain pills sometimes where I can't get out of bed. I could go on and on, homeless. In the business, I've had, 7, 8, 13 EDs quit. I've missed trips. I've been disappointed in things that happened.